Hi everyone, so today we have Sharp cassette player from 1980s. It's 5800 model, and we did manage to install the Bluetooth in this one. It's actually top condition, very few marks, barely new condition. So at first I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna test the radio itself, the cassette player, and later I'm gonna show you how to use the Bluetooth, okay? Okay, so radio works. Now the cassette. Let's try forward. Works fine. Backwards. No problem. Let's have a look how it looks in the dark. Lights are okay. Okay, so in order to activate the Bluetooth, you have to switch from FM to middle waves or long waves, which is useless radios. We don't use them anymore any longer. So, but one thing I have to mention that when you turn on the Bluetooth, the cassette has to be out. Okay. So simply switch to any of these. Now it's a Bluetooth mode, okay? Let's go to our cell phone. Turn on the Bluetooth. Wait a couple of seconds. Here it is.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Now the Bluetooth is activated, and we can go to YouTube and play any music we want. Cool, right? Let's try another song. Ads, of course. 1 second. It's all original looks, nothing's changed from outside. Beautiful radio. It's pure Japan. So when you want to back to normal radio, simply switch to FM mode and you're back to radio again. You can use the cassette, the radio, whatever. Okay, that's all I want to show. Thumbs up.